Oh, now here's an affordable little beauty. Fully automatic, 126 horsepower.
What does horsepower mean?
Well, it means this car is better than 126 horses.
How'd you figure that out?
Well, you see...
Ladies and gentlemen, I don't believe it either, but this Corolla has bested 124 horses right before our eyes. Though I'm betting these next 3 thoroughbreds will have something to say about that.
So, you know, there you have it.
Are you on cocaine?
Oh, hot diggity.